Top 10 Surprising Facts About Elephants. Elephants can recognize themselves in a mirror, which is a sign of self-awareness that is rare among animals. This ability was first demonstrated in elephants in a 2006 study, where researchers placed a mirror in front of an elephant and observed the elephant's reaction. The elephant showed signs of self-awareness by using its trunk to touch and explore its own reflection, rather than treating it as another animal. Elephants are capable of mourning the loss of a stillborn calf, showing grief and sadness. This behavior has been observed in both African and Asian elephants, and suggests that elephants have a strong emotional attachment to their offspring. Elephants can use their trunks to detect and communicate with elephants that are out of sight, using a kind of elephant sign language. This communication method involves sending and receiving infrasonic calls that are too low for humans to hear, and can travel long distances through the ground. Elephants have been observed creating and using tools to solve problems, such as using sticks to scratch an itch or using a rock to break open a fence. This kind of tool use is rare among animals, and suggests that elephants have a high level of cognitive ability. Elephants can distinguish between different human languages, and have been known to react differently to the sound of a language they are familiar with versus an unfamiliar language. For example, elephants in Kenya have been observed reacting more positively to the sound of the local language, ma, than to other languages. Elephants are excellent at keeping track of time, and can remember the location of water sources and food at different times of the day and year. This ability is particularly important in arid regions where water sources can be scarce and seasonal. Elephants have been known to seek out medicinal plants when they are sick or injured, suggesting that they have some level of self-medication. For example, elephants have been observed eating the leaves of the fever tree, which contains compounds that can reduce fever and pain. Elephants have a unique way of cooling down when it's hot, by flapping their ears to create a breeze and spraying themselves with water or mud. This behavior helps to regulate their body temperature and prevent overheating. Elephants have a very low reproductive rate, with females only giving birth to a single calf every 2 to 4 years, which makes them particularly vulnerable to threats such as poaching and habitat loss. This slow reproductive rate means that it can take decades for elephant populations to recover from declines. Elephants can show signs of post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, after experiencing traumatic events such as witnessing the loss of a herd member or being separated from their family. This condition has been observed in elephants that have been captured and trained for use in the tourism industry, highlighting the importance of protecting elephants in their natural habitats.